Tonight feel different.
Tonight feel different.
City lights shining, dreams getting closer.
No looking back.
From nothing to something.
Every sky become a lesson.
Every lesson become a blessing.
Let's go. Late nights, cold roads, chasing every vision. Nobody believed, but I trust in my decision. Rain on the window, hope in the soul. Piece by piece, I was building every goal. Empty pockets couldn't empty my ambition. Every setback only sharpened my precision. They laughed when the dream was bigger than the room. Now they see the flowers after watching every bloom. Mama kept praying while the lights went low. Told me every season got a chance to grow. And now the sunrise paint another opportunity. Hard work connecting every piece of destiny. Never
so my values just to fit the trend. Real ones stay beside you to the very end. Success never happened from a lucky night. It's the quiet mornings and the endless fight.
Every brick I laid became another step. Faith inside my chest like a silent prayer. Pressure never stopped me, it refined the flame. Now they finally recognize the name. I don't chase applause, I just chase improvement.
Every single step got intentional movement.
If a mountain tall, then I climb with patience.
Victory belongs to consistent dedication. When the wind gets colder, we hold on tighter. When the road gets longer, we walk even brighter.
Every heartbeat said,
don't let go tonight.
the stars only shine
inside the darkest sky. Pressure high, but we rise again. Every fall just make us stronger than hands to the sky. Let the whole world know nothing can stop how far we'll go. Light up the night, let the dream ignite. Hope burning bright like the city lights. We came too far just to lose our way. Pressure high,
but we're here to stay.
mirror on the wall showing someone stronger. Every single year made my vision longer. Beauty isn't measured by expensive things. It's the confidence that determination brings. Walk with grace while the world keeps watching. Every little victory keeps multiplying. No borrowed glow, every shine authentic. Mind full of purpose, heart energetic.
I remember nights feeling overlooked. People judge me by the way I look. Now I'm writing stories with a different ending. Every chapter better than the one beginning. Love yourself before you seek approval. Self-belief is always the first renewal. Diamonds never ask if they're valuable enough. They simply keep shining through every rough. Friends became family through every storm. Real loyalty keeps the spirit warm. When success arrives, stay humble inside. Character matters more than temporary pride. Never let fear become your address. Growth begins beyond comfort, nothing less. Every dream deserves another chance to live. Life rewards the ones who continue to give.
Tomorrow calls our names, we'll answer without fear.
Every lesson, every scar
Brought us right here.
even when the clouds appear.
The sunrise never fails.
Faith becomes the strongest when
Inside ourselves. Pressure high, but we rise again. Every fall just make us stronger than hands to the sky. Let the whole world know nothing can stop how far we'll go. Light up the night, let the dream ignite. Hope burning bright like the city lights. We came too far just to lose our way. Pressure high,
but we're here to stay. Every street remembers every step I took. Every chapter better than the first old book. No shortcuts written in my destiny. Patience turned into prosperity.
I carry dreams nobody else could see. Now those same dreams become reality. Every sunrise bring another chance. Life keeps moving, join the dance.
Money comes and money goes away.
Character decides if you're here to stay.
Love the people who believe before the glow.
They're the ones who truly helped you grow. Every heartbeat got another rhythm. Every mountain got another summit. If we fall, we'll rise together. Nothing lasts forever.
The moon still shines after every rain.
Healing always follows pain.
Hands together, voices loud.
Standing strong, making family proud.
No fear living in our soul.
Every sacrifice made us whole.
The future waiting just ahead.
Hope alive in every thread. Close your eyes.
Imagine every impossible dream.
Standing right in front of you.
Now open up.
Take one more step.
One more chance.
One more sunrise.
One more victory.
We never stop believing.
One more chance.
One more sunrise.
We never stop believing.
Pressure high, we still rise. Stars reflect pressure high, we're still standing. Every dream